Today in Parking Network News, DESMAN unveils new brand identity, John Oglesby talks about the MobileNOW merchant validation program, Q3 acquires parking management solutions company Traffiko, Cale celebrates their 60th anniversary. Welcome to Parking Network News, my name is Tom Bissett. DESMAN Associates announced that it's launched a national rebranding campaign featuring a name change to DESMAN, drop in the Associates, and a redesign in logo and brand identity. DESMAN is a leading parking specialist providing architecture, structural and restoration engineering, planning, transportation and green parking consulting. In the beginning of April, MobileNOW enhanced its exclusive merchant validation program, designed to drive business to local merchants by providing real-time parking discounts and rewards for customers. We have John Oglesby, MobileNOW's President and CEO on the phone to tell us a little bit more. Hi John, I hope you're doing well. How are things?
Yes sir, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. John, tell me, when will the merchant validation program roll out?
We quietly tested the product in a couple of beta sites and have had good success and a high level of interest. We announced it to the public really through your publication with a press release. We first spoke about it publicly about 2 weeks ago at a economic recap that MobileNOW sponsored in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. The majority of the new program is actually rolling out 1st of June. So most of the work that we've done so far has been to make sure that we are in position and we're ready.
How does the validation program work and what makes it exclusive?
The way that it works is MobileNOW is the only major, and maybe the only one, but certainly the only major mobile payment provider that we complete our customer's transaction at the end of their transaction. Everybody else does it at the beginning. And one of the advantages by having ours, and ours of course is the European model, and the reason that works out so well for our merchant validation is that we can make it seamless for the consumer. The consumer pulls in like they do any other time. Then they go into a merchant and they see a different way to alert them. The customer comes in and, of course, they've got our app loaded on their phone already because they've initiated the parking session. They then scan the barcode that is provided by the merchant, and they then immediately receive whatever the merchant provides.
Are there any new developments for MobileNOW in general that we can expect this year?
Yeah, we do. We have quite an extensive roadmap of products that are geared both for specific relationships with some large parking operators, as well as some sector-specific developments. We've got a couple of new features that we're working on in the university market, as well as a couple of new features in the municipal market. And then our beta testing of our valet app continues to go very, very well in the Denver market. And we're actually working to link that with one of the largest hotel point-of-sale systems. That partnership probably will be announced at the IPI, if not before.
Thank you, John. A lot from MobileNOW this year, so check out parking-net.com frequently to stay up to date. Q3 has signed an agreement to acquire the activity in the Maltese parking management solutions company Traffiko for €1 million. The transaction includes an earn-out clause with potential payout maximised to an additional €1 million. Closing of this transaction is expected to happen during the second quarter in 2015. Traffiko has been a long-term partner to Q3 for deliveries of vital parts of the parking management system in previous projects. Cale, founded in 1955, has become a world-leading supplier of parking solutions and has been developing their solutions for 60 years now. Congratulations from the entire team here at Parking Network. To celebrate this anniversary, Cale made a short film of their story from their first parking meter called Orb up to their hyper-modern CWT meter and back-office system.
Cale is founded by Carl-Axel Andersson and his cousin Lennart Fungdahl.
They founded the company in 1955. It was the CA for Carl-Axel and LE for Lennart that together became Cale.
His hometown Gävle was the first city to make use of his parking meters, 18 of them in all, and they were placed around the city hall. Orders soon followed from Gothenburg, Sundsvall, Borås and other cities. And during the 1960s, Orders also came in from Finland and Norway.
Unfortunately, we can't show everything now. Go to our blog section at parking-net.com to see the full video. Thank you for watching Parking Network News. We hope to see you again next week. In the meantime, check out our website for daily updated news and announcements. See you next time.